In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Draft Coach. As you can see, I'm logged into my school account. You cannot use your personal account for this. So once you are in your Google Drive, you can create a Google Doc with which you can use the Draft Coach. You will see that I uploaded some Word files there. If you just click on the Word file, it does not work. You do not see the Draft Coach add-on there. However, you should be able to convert this to a Google Doc. So you can save this as a Google Doc, and that should work. So I already have done that. So I'm going to click on this one, the Google Doc. You will see when you see this little icon, that means it's a Google Doc. So click on that Google Doc here. And now you will be able to see there's an add-on button here, and click on that. You will see the Turnitin draft code is available there for you to use. So click on that, and then it shows up again. So you click on the draft coach, and then it will show the draft coach dashboard or panel here. You'll notice that there is a detail that summarizes everything that is available, and then there are three things you can check. Similarity, it allows you to check how similar your paper is compared to internet and other resources. So this paper have 7% matching, and it just works exactly like Turnitin in Canvas or Turnitin in another source. So obviously this has been a citation, so that's not excluded already. It has been cited properly, so it's a false alarm. And then there are other sources you can check whether there's a matching between this place and some internet and other resources, and you can fix it where needed. You have noticed that I have two similarity checks available. When you first go to Turnitin, you do not see what I'm seeing up there. You have to run this similarity check. I have already run this once, and I have 2 times left to run the Turnitin for the same document. So usually after I have fixed the issues in my document, I can run this again. If it is the same document, I haven't made any changes, it will stay this way. So that's similarity report. It works very similarly to Turnitin Canvas or Turnitin.com. So that's similarity report. Another thing that you will notice, it is citations, which is extremely helpful. So click on citations. Once again, you run the citation check, and I have already run it once, and once I can continue to run it. So if I should click on run new citation check, it's probably will be the same because I haven't made any changes to this document, and it will show that your citation check is still the same. So the cool thing about this tool, about this citations check, is that it finds in-text citations in the text. If I click on here, it will point out that I have an in-text citation here, but towards the end of the paper, you will see that I do not have that reference listed here, so I need to add it there. And then I can go on to the next one. This one should also have an issue. And it also works like this. If you have a reference here that is not being cited in the document, it will also remind you of that. So in the end, you will see a summary here. There are 8 citations. There's certain issues here. It shows you that this is using the APA format. This is a very useful tool for you to match your in-text citations with the references towards the end of your document if you are using APA. Okay, so you fix it and you run again, and then you can just check whether there are additional issues there. And the third function of draft coach is called grammar. It works like Grammarly. It shows up issues in your paper. You see this paper has lots of issues, okay? And in particular, there are unclear sentences, fragments, long sentences. If you click on a type of the issue, it will show you the exact issue here. You may, for this sentence, is shown as unclear, so I may need to revise that. And if you are finished doing this, you just click on the next one, and you can just fix this sentence as well. Okay, and if you are not sure what this means, there are also examples. So basically, this is a tool that helps you to improve your writing. So anyway, you can just run similarity report, citation report, and grammar report to improve on your writing using this tool. So this is already installed on Google Docs for the students and teachers and staff members alike for all of you to use. So feel free to take advantage of that to improve your writing. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.